Banana peels are the several outermost layers of banana, especially once removed from the rest of the banana, which may be slippery if stepped on. The skin contains high amounts of vitamin B6 and B12, as well as magnesium and potassium. It also contains some fiber and protein. San Diego-based nutritionist Laura Flores told Live Science, "Eating peel is not only good for your body but also better for the environment." The residue that comes from rubbing the inside of a banana peel makes an excellent face mask. The action of rubbing the skin has a gentle exfoliating effect, and as it dries, it draws out dirt and grease. The vitamins nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving you with fresher-looking skin. Here is how you can use banana peels. Itchy skin and skin burn. Keep a banana peel in the fridge before rubbing it on the affected area and it will provide relief instantly, helping in reducing wrinkles. Make your silverware shine. You can rub banana peel paste on your silverware to make them shine again. Prepare banana peel paste by blending it in a mixer jar with little water. Whiten teeth. Ripe banana peels are also known to help whiten your teeth. After you brush, simply rub the peel to your teeth for a few minutes. You will see the difference within a few days of use. Make compost. You can also use it as a fertilizer for your plants. Banana peel is known to be an excellent food for plants. You can use it to prepare compost soil for the plants. Plant food. You can also boil chopped banana peels with tea leaves and eggshells to prepare plant fertilizer for flowering plants. Once you have kept this mixture for at least 24 hours, mix it with water in a ratio of 1 to 4 and water your plants with this solution.